We have selected a few of these acknowledgement receipts. If shown to you, please identify the same. P-1 being flashed on the screen. Pakibasa nga ng mga pangalan dito. P-1-8-2107. Quezon naman ito. Quezon. Please read.
Acknowledgement.
Cheese. In English, cheese. Matthew N. Queso. 7-15-23. Magkano to, Madam Witness?
250,000 po at na-receive ni Matthew N. Queso noong July 15, 2023.
Ginamit for payment of supplies.
Opo.
Susunod, Nova Santos. 50,000 pesos. P-1-8-2147. Payment for the purchase of supplies. At another one, P-1-8-2195 sa isang Sala Kasim, 8/11/2023 for 180,000 pesos. Itong payment of supplies na pinakita natin, ito ba ay allowable expense ng confidential funds?
Yes po, under 4.8.4 of the joint circular po.
Another one, P-1-18-2092, flash on the screen, sa isang J. Camote. 200,000, payment of purchase of supplies. 8/11/2023. At itong mangga, gumawa ata ng fruit salad dito. May kamote, may mangga, may keso. P-1-8-2262, Miggy Mango.